Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the error Windows cannot find wt.exe. Make sure you type the name correctly. This error usually appears when you try to open Windows Terminal, but the system can set locate the wt.exe file. It's often caused by a missing or corrupted Windows Terminal installation, system path issues, or problems with recent updates. Step 1. Repair or reset the terminal app. Click the search icon in the taskbar and type Settings, then open the Settings app. On the left menu, choose Apps, then click Installed Apps on the right. In the top search field, type Terminal. Click the three-dot menu next to Windows Terminal, then select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. Click Repair to attempt a fix without losing any data. If that does not work, click Reset to remove all app data and settings. Confirm by selecting Reset again. Step 2. Reset Windows Apps folder permissions. Open Search, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, then select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Paste the following command into the command prompt and press Enter. If your Windows drive is not C, change the drive letter in the command accordingly. Wait for the process to complete, then restart your computer. After completing these steps, the wt.exe not found error should be resolved and Windows Terminal should function properly. Thank you for following this quick tutorial. Best of luck, and see you in the next guide.